So some comments we wanted to add. As the Braja Gopis perfectly described the all-attractive sweet beauty of Sri Krishna in Ras Leela, Mahaprabhu spoke the same verse 2 times in the Chaitanya Charitamrita to describe Sri Krishna's gorgeous beauty. Because we know that Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Adi Guru Sri Krishna, and he's taken on the kanti and beautiful radiant golden color of Radharani and tried to mix Radharani's heart with his so he could understand the flavors and tastes of her moods of love and the Mahabhav of the devotee. The Prema Shraya. How does the Prema Shraya perceive the Prem Vishaya? How does the object of love understand the subject of love? In other words, oh, I love this person, but how do they love me? Or how do they feel when they love me? Or what happiness do they feel when they experience my sweetness? Or what happiness do they feel when they serve me? Because I see they're just doing humble seva and they're so blissful. And on the recipient, on the Vishaya, on the subject and the receiver of all their seva and love. But what's it like to be the receiver and the object of giving seva and love? So therefore Krishna became something like Radharani. He tried. So that's why in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, so many times Mahaprabhu is quoting and glorifying Krishna's beauty like the gopis because he's in Gopi Bhav. And he's the head of the Gaudiya Sampradaya. So if someone is a follower of Lord Chaitanya, then they must be a follower of what he represents, what he teaches, what he experiences, what he feels. And what he's teaching, what he's experiencing, what he's feeling is Gopi Bhav. This is it. And unfortunately, the message is right in your ears and the truth is right in front of your eyes, but you can't hear it and you can't see it. And that means abhagya, unfortunate. A point for study as a sadhaka, we can take note that any verses from the Bhagavatam that are mentioned 2, 3, sometimes 4 times in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, they deserve a gold star. They're very important verses, either for sambandha, abhideya, or prayojan, the foundation and basis of being a devotee and why being a devotee and who is a devotee and who is Krishna. This is sambandha, the relationship. A relationship based on knowledge, a relationship based on faith, a relationship based on taste, a relationship based on attraction, a relationship based on the loving reciprocation that God or Krishna gives with all of his surrendered servitors. This is what's called sambandha. So many factors are required to establish the foundation of a house of bhakti. Submission, acceptance, many things.